welcome back to my channel. Today is a Saturday and I am struggling. So I'm from the laundromat because things have come to a point where I need to take my clothes to a laundromat because we don't get tokens. So they go inside internally, everything within me. So yeah. So now I have to go and take my clothes to the laundromat. That's it. Done with that. So I'm gonna take my laundry and then come back, make tea or coffee, and then start studying. Please look at my guys. I look disgusting. Can we discuss how disgusting your sis looks?
When I think the grey makes it worse.
The whole grey. I look so disgusting. Like, do you guys see my hair? Like, so goey because wow, Sana, please look. I need to take this shit out. I'll play with my hair if nothing or else fails. Tokens from my neighbor. So that means so that means I'm doing my laundry and yeah. And then right now I am waiting for it to take, oh, same be here. Anyways, I'm waiting to take it out so that I can put it in the dryer. And then after that we are heading to Cakes. I need to buy a relaxer. I come back, remove the shirt, relax, plaid drawers. Yeah, and then I'm gonna do schoolwork. When I'm doing schoolwork, I'm just not gonna vlog because I feel like my vlogs are so much of schoolwork, like it's insane. So I'm just gonna put a bit, like a snippet, and then afterwards I'm just gonna let it go. But anyways guys, that's the chat for now. I'm just drinking water because it's mad hot in Cape Town. So cheers to drinking water. Don't ask me why I'm drinking with wine glass. All my glasses are dirty, so don't say I'm trying to be extra. No, my glasses are dirty. I'll never drink with a wine glass, water and ice, and never. I don't know if this is a wine. It is a wine. I just got my laundry. Yo, one sec, rest. Anyways, I'm taking off. Basically, that's what's happening. Yeah, so like I was saying, oh, I am unbraiding. Let me show you guys. I look like Ratatata. Oh my god, I look like the ghetto. Like, do you guys see the dirt in my hair? Okay, no, you can't. How? I don't even know, but Ratatata. Anyways, yeah, that's the chat now. I was with Mikey in the laundry room and he's like, friend, it's 12 and you're wearing a gown. So yes, I'm wearing a gown. Pittsville is my current location. Pittsville is definitely my current location. Umgo is my current state, but it's fine. You know why? Because we move, Sana. Okay guys, yeah, let me continue on braiding. I don't know how I'm able to do this alone because I'm doing a good job because I'm almost done and my hair's on my table. Listen guys, please look at my hair. I look like, I don't know, like a bomb just hits. I won't chance, but we move. We'll look cute afterwards. It's fine. I'm vlogging and I don't know if I look like the way I want to look or Sana. It's hot, my love. Anyways, and same flip. Yes. Hi sis.
Hey babe.
How are you doing?
Good, thanks.
The right way to Sana. Say pa. My lash is coming off. But it's fine, we move. Hi. We move. We move. So guys, we are on our way to Cliff. Yours truly. And if it's full and packed, we'll go to another place. Hope we wanna sit down. We don't want to stand. Yeah. So if that doesn't work out, we'll find another place up at Kloof. But yeah, that's the chat. And I'll catch you guys when we're there already. Like, I don't want to be saying a lot, to be quite honest. But yeah. I can't recognize this girl, ne? Okay, when she has makeup on, I guys believe it. We just became friends like a week. This week. Or a week ago. This week. I spoke to her first since I'm the initiator in life. Like, I feel like I initiate a lot of things in my life. It's so unfair. But anyways, it is. Hi, it's coming off, my love.
See, you're helpful.
It's literally coming off.
I have blue.
Yeah, same. You see, we think alike because the struggle is real.
I know, hey.
Okay, bye.
It's so hard. Is it because it's up?
I don't know, maybe. But there is like an open area that side. But I know we're gonna have to share the table. Okay, we're gonna share it here, but I feel like it's not bad. Right? Okay. I just got a notification. Ew. Seman, what are you drinking? What are you drinking? Show them your drink. Yes. And I'm having, of course, you know what time it is. You know what time it been. Cheers to you. Cheers to that, honey. Cheers to that. It's been like that from day one. Y'all know. No, we don't play with this one. Really. So yeah, this is the chat. We are here. We are chilling. It is what it is. And my lash is coming off. It's fine. I move. I must just put lip gloss and act like I don't see it. Pardon?
I look so angry.
Okay, let's take again.
I literally look so...
Let's take again, sis. Okay, I'm saying. Wow, guys. Yes. I'm wearing these pants again. Ugh, annoying. I'm literally waiting for you like, bitch, car. I'm waiting for you. Hey, bosses, see? Johnny, wait, see? Samaniga. Hi. Good job. Guys, there's really nothing. Ne? I'm literally gonna just snap stuff, take videos, put music. Because at this point, do you get what I mean? Because now there's really not much I can say. Period. But we want shisha. But I say mhlelo sisi. You are a star. Literally a star from heaven.
I know.
All of us. Love it. Love it. So right now we are, what are we doing? We're about to order pizza, honey. Yeah. Time she's hungry, guys. But anyways, we're about to order pizza and that's the deal. Yeah.
Okay. So why is my
Yes, we want those, honey. I'm so annoyed. Okay, guys, so as I try to open my eyes, guys, I think I'm really gonna end my vlog here for today. I thank you guys for tuning in. I love you guys so much. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, honey. And also, don't forget to tune in on my next video because I got y'all. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. I love you guys so much.